Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you two delicious recipe of fireless or no-cook sandwiches with a combination of iced coffee. So let's get started. For the first sandwich, add 1 green chilli to your mixer grinder jar. Then add 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon cumin, 1 medium-sized tomato, 1/4 cup fresh coriander and 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves. Make sure you wash the coriander and mint leaves before using. Then add some salt to taste. You don't need to add any extra water. Grind this to a fine paste. Tomato will give a nice taste as well as body to your green chutney. Our chutney is ready. Now let's prepare the sandwich. Here I've got 2 bread slices. I'm using white bread. You may use brown bread. Remove the sides. If you want, you can keep the sides. Though the sandwich is very easy to make, it tastes fantastic. Apply a thin layer of butter on both the bread slices. The butter will add taste as well as it will prevent the bread from becoming soggy due to the chutney. Now apply a layer of chutney. Do not add any water while making the chutney, and the chutney will be nice, thick and spreadable like this. Now grate some processed cheese. You can add one entire cube of cheese if you want, but I am using almost half of one processed cheese cube. Spread the cheese evenly and join the 2 slices like this. You can cut the sandwich into 2 or 3 parts, into rectangle or triangles. You can prepare the chutney and store in your refrigerator and enjoy the sandwich whenever you want. For our next sandwich, we need 1 big sized tomato. Add it to your mixer grinder jar and add some salt to taste. Don't add any water and make a fine paste. Yes, the chutney or the stuffing is going to be this paste of tomato and salt. Trust me, it tastes delicious with the combination of cheese and bread. Remove the sides. Next, apply a thin layer of butter on both the bread slices. Next, apply some salted tomato puree and spread evenly. You might be thinking, who adds just tomato paste on sandwich? But if you give this recipe a try, you would fall in love with this sandwich. Tomato and cheese is a great combination. Grate some processed cheese. Spread the cheese evenly like this. And then join the 2 slices. Cut the sandwich into 2 or 3 parts, 2 or 4 parts. Our delicious no-cook tomato cheese sandwich is ready. Now let's prepare iced coffee. For that, take 1/4 cup warm water and add 2 teaspoons instant coffee powder. Next, add 1/2 tablespoon sugar. Mix till the sugar gets dissolved. Our coffee decoction is ready. Now let's prepare the iced coffee. Take a glass and add 6 to 7 ice cubes, or you may add 8 or more. Pour the prepared coffee decoction. This coffee is very simple to make, similar to the sandwiches we made, and tastes fantastic. Next, add cold or chilled milk, approximately 150 to 200 ml. Next, I am adding the remaining coffee decoction. Give a gentle stir. Our delicious iced coffee and fireless sandwiches are ready. You may grate some processed cheese on top like this. This is totally optional. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!